So out here on a job today in Sydney, and basically customers moved into a new house and we are working out what's what. They've got one of these old systems. I was here the other day to fix up their mesh system. Basically we bypassed it, bypassed all this stuff, put a socket on it, because basically here was all, everything's corroded. They're right next to the water. So spend a couple of days here working out what's what, fixing everything up, running a few extra cables, just giving the place a spruce up. So they're using Foxtel, and you can see everything here is all rusted because they're literally right on the water. So these things here, they're all pretty old. Everything's sort of tarnished in there. You can see sort of some rust. So we're going to remove all these, work out what they're using. They're not using all the old phone cables. We're going to see if some of the old phone cables are Cat5, try and convert them to data points, and then just fix everything up. It's just a bit of a mess. Everything's tested and faulty. So rip it all out, start again. Okay, this is where we're at so far. So I've mounted up the timber panel, cut it to size. Got a couple of mounting blocks here. Got 6 coming through there, 6 coming through there, and then the other 2 coming through here. And then that's it. I'll put the other mounting block on, we'll start fitting them off. Okay, so back here day 2, and then I've made my little custom made patch panel here to fit in here. So I've just, we got some holes here. We're gonna just basically bolt everything down. So instead of replacing this box and putting, spending a whole lot of money you don't need to, I just custom made, went to Bunnings, bought some timber, cut it to size, and now mounted all these up, which are much nicer. Okay, so today I'm going to go through and replacing all the sockets because they're all rusty and everything. So we're going to fix all those up today and then come through, test everything, make sure everything's got continuity. And then I'm going to work on the RF stuff here. Like this, this here, which is the amplifier. You can see here, look at the state of that, right, with the transformer. So that's all dangerous. I'm going to replace all that, replace all this junk. And then I'll probably, I don't know whether today or hopefully I'll get a switch today. Patch everything in, test everything. Make sure they've got internet at every socket, and then next week I'm going to come back and then run a few more cables. So you can see the state of all the old stuff. It's all horrible. And nothing was working when I was testing stuff, so we're going to replace this type of one with, put compression ends on it, screw them in properly, remove all these old ones. Okay, first one done. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? On that. So back here for day 3, and then today basically they didn't have, this is their media room, they didn't have any data in there. I tried to rely on Wi-Fi, so basically they did have a cable that was going into this room here. So what I've done is we've run another cable. I replaced all the conduit. That roof's coming off because basically the roof's coming off, so it was up on the top there before. Now we brought it down under the roof level that's coming off, teed it off, so that's coming from the switch up in the garage, coming there now, and then coming down and punching through, and then going into the media room where we've got a socket, a double socket on the other end with a little network switch. So then from here, the one on the left feeds in to feed network switch, and then out of the network switch back into there to take it back to the room that we're just at, and then the other one there goes into their Foxtel box. Okay, so we managed to fit everything in. So we've got 2 8 switches in there. We've got the NTD in there, so we've got one switch there, one switch there. And the NTD is tucked down the back in there, but we all got it to fit. Now, close the door. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.